Kure by'ubururu umukibine cya NRM Dr. Tangondo yayema umurikiko rw'abanyamakuru rwashitamusa umuri Kampala yashobora ko ari batekateka okuteza ubururu obu oburabe burumu okutorana chairman wa district oteireho n'emyanya etarumba kansara.
Emphasize that we have LOC5 position, but we also have lower local council positions. One, we have sub-county male councillor representing older persons for Kibale sub-county. That one we are filling because of death. Then we also have sub-county direct elected councillor for Kateriga parish, Bunahika sub-county. That person resigned because he got gainful employment. And of course we have LOC5.
Ogu yagumzamu yashobora ku habirabiri na munana by'okwezoku ababa kwenda kwetsimba baza kwikirizwa kwihayo empapura zabo kuzijuza hakitebe cyabo muri Kyadondo Kampala kandi yaragira abona bakwenda kwetsimba ahabwa kansara empapura kuziha akachiko ka district.
20th July to 28th July, that's Friday next week, the candidates or those aspiring will express interest. Those aspiring for position of LOC5 will express interest here at the headquarters, and those who want to be councillors will express interest at the district offices.
Tangondo yagumzamu yashobora ku ogwe n'urekirizwe kwetsimba nowe papura bye hamwe n'ebikumugambaho birabe bishikiri.
Tuesday 1st August will be day for nomination. When we have expressed interest, those expressing interest must attach all their documents, photocopies of all their academic documents for LOC5 chairperson.
Ogu yagumzamu yashaba ogo wena orarabemu akekirizwa kwetsimba kuza omishoga kachiko k'eby'ubururu mu district ya Hoima abanza yegesubwe okwara agende naronda akaruuru.
And those documents will be handed over to the legal director, the director legal, who is also the secretary of the commission, to peruse and advise before we nominate those candidates, or one or two of them.
Tangondo yagumzamu yashobora ku omunya NRM jwire ntwarekirizwe kwetsimba omukaruraka kandi yashobora kwaine kuba ari omutako mu Hoima gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano Sky TV agenshonga.